Alright, in this video we're going to be reviewing these little kid roller skates. I have a 5-year-old who was in desperate need of a roller skate and has been asking for one for a set for quite some time. So here is the set that we ended up going with. I will put a link in the description below if you're interested, if you like these and want to pick them up yourself. Generally we really like them. Here's what they look like out of the box. Brilliant pink color, which is pretty cool. My daughter's very pumped about the color of these skates. Everything seems really well made. The bearings, no play in the wheels. The bearings seem really strong. You've got a front brake. Now these are adjustable, which is awesome. That's partly why we bought them. And of course all the latches seem to work really well. So we'll give you a kind of a visual tour. You can come along with me here and just take a look and see how this thing operates for yourself. So here are the little plastic buckles. There are 2 of them and they insert here. And right off the bat I'm really impressed with the quality of the plastic. It doesn't seem like anything's flimsy or that's going to break off or that it's cheap in any way. It's got an inline. We'll take a look at that in here in just a minute. But this is the quick adjustment, this is awesome. So with one hand you just press the little button and the outside shell of the roller skate can pull out, thus adjusting the skate itself. Now the inline skate, we'll pull this out. You can see how that works. I was a little confused at the beginning. If the outside part adjusts, then how does the booty part, this part, adjust? Well, take a look here. It's actually 2 separate pieces, and it's got a little piece of elastic you can see on the back of the heel there that allows the foot to expand. So essentially it's going to squeeze the foot and provide comfort while allowing multiple feet sizes as your little one may grow. So that was pretty cool. And of course you can wash this thing too, which I really like. Hot, sweaty feet in the summer, right? Occasionally they might need a wash, so you can take the liner out and throw it in the washing machine. So that was impressive. All right, we'll tuck the tongue under here. Obviously her foot is in it. We're testing out the fit and everything. She's not telling me that it hurts in any way, so I think it's pretty comfortable for her. And to tighten them up, you obviously pull that little white strap through the little buckle there, the clear buckle on the left, and then you can snap them down as shown there. So really firm, really snug, and again, totally adjustable. If it's too tight, you can loosen them and vice versa. So we'll get both skates on here for you, and you can see what they look like. Now she's not able to do this outside quite yet, so we're going to practice on the carpet just to get her basic motions down, and she is liking it quite a bit. There's how the front brake works, obviously. And like any roller skate, you're going to want to grease the bearings regularly and rotate the little tires regularly so that they prolong the life of the roller skates. But of course we'll get there, not in this video. We'll be doing that at a later point in time. So overall they're comfortable, they look great, and are super affordable. Again, I'll pop a link down below if you're interested, and hopefully this video has been helpful for you. For more real product reviews and do-it-yourself jobs, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for being with me.